What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Don't mind the same shirt as I had in the last video because it's double upload. I shot these videos concurrently. Now I finally may have a pair of on-the-ear set of headphones that I think that can rival my favorite budget pair of on-the-ear headphones, like under $60, or around 50 to $70. There we go. Because all the on-the-ear headphones that I have, the Blueant Pump Souls, have remained my favorite. Wireless, by the way. I mean, and nothing's come close. Okay, Cloud Fox H2s. I mean, they came close. I mean, they came a little bit Proxel wireless. I had, but now I got something from the House of Marley. Okay, and this is the Positive Vibration Wireless 2. Okay, headphones. These came out at the beginning of the year. I saw them, but they were really expensive. They were like $69.99. This was on sale, or maybe more than that. But this was on sale. I got it for around $60. That's with the tax and all that. So it was on sale. I had to pick it up. So this is sporting 12 hours battery life, supposedly 12 hours playtime. Foldable design. Onboard microphone. Now it doesn't say what Bluetooth thing it is. Let me see. And it says FSC certified wood, so it's made out of wood. And this is like the copper bronze color. Kind of looks pink, but I figured I'd go with something unique, okay, something different. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed, okay, maybe. And this is going to be a first impressions. The review video will come next week, around this time, around next Friday. And I'll compare it at the end of the video to my Blueant Pump Souls. So yeah, I always do my comparisons at the end, after I do the review. So let's go ahead and get this open. Oops. There we go. If you do the tape, that's what it does. Looks like. Looks kind of. And what fell? This is a 3.5mm jack. I like this. It feels it's like braided almost. This is a nice cord. Nice cord. And they seem to have not come with a micro USB charger, which is strange. That's okay, I got tons of them. And this is it right here. Look at this. This is a metal design right here. This is unique. I've never seen headphones like this. And the way you raise it, like that, and these are wires right here that's connecting. Now, the headphones, okay, it sounds plastic, but it feels more premium than that. And these ear pads, they're nice and soft. Nice and soft. Okay, let me go ahead and test them out. Let me see which one is. Okay, right and left. I see it. What's that sound? It's creaky. It's creaky. Oh, I thought I broke it. Okay, you can tell right away it's not going to be used for running. These do move around if you move around quite a bit. I'm assuming they are gonna fall down. Well, maybe if you're running, you're just going up and down, as long as you don't bob your head. But let's go ahead and see if this has any juice. I might have to do a jump cut here. Let's see if I can get it paired fairly quickly. And if it gets paired fairly quickly, I can kind of get a, what do you call that? What's the word? A estimate of what Bluetooth chip this thing has. And it's pairing right there. So this has to be Bluetooth 4.0 and above. Has to be. Right there, Positive Vibration 2. And it's connected. So this does have some juice. Let's go ahead and get some music going real quick. That way I can give you folks my first impressions. Let's see. My usual. The power buttons are on the right ear cup. Let me go ahead and pause this song. And it appears to be, there's only 3 buttons on here, so that means the the up and down button, you know, the skip forward and skip back track, and the volume button each share a button. So you got two uses, two functions for each button there. So that's unique. I never. The thing is, they're at opposite ends. I don't know if you can see it here. So you got your go back button right here, and at the other end of the button is the silent or the volume button, lower volume button. So you gotta press here to go backwards, press here to you know, lower the volume. Then you go, this is the power button right here in the middle, and you go up right here. That's the volume button right here, right by the power button. And right here at the top of this button here, that's the skip forward button. So kind of confusing and kind of close together. So you might, if you got really big fingers, you might, you know, you might skip forward, or you might hit the volume by changing by accident. But I just wanted to point that out, because that's the only 3 buttons I see on here. Now these don't sport noise cancellation or anything like that. So let me see if there's any passive noise cancellation. Hello, hello. Okay, I mean, some sound got cut out immediately as I put it on. Let's go ahead and play my usual song. I'm gonna try. Where's... Oh, I skipped forward! You see how I mean? See, I'm getting confused by the buttons already. I did it again! Okay, I've got it at full volume. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. These are loud for on-ear headphones. Now, call me crazy, but I may have found a match for my Blueant Pump Souls. The sound is loud, it's nice and clear. The mids and highs, they're clear, not crystal clear, but pretty close. But the bass, there's some bass in here. Let's try one of those NCS songs. Let me see, which one haven't I chosen yet? I mean, I got a bunch. I don't know. I'll just pick one. I might pick one that we've listened to before. There we go. Vexento. Let's see. Oh, it's loud. I like it. Wow! Holy smokes! First impressions! These actually sound better than my Blueant Pump Souls. I'm shocked. I did not think I was gonna find something that could rival it or come close. Now, these are just first impressions, okay? I'm still gonna do a review of this headset. You know, give me some time. I mean, I gotta test the battery life. 12 hours is probably not much. I mean, that's standard, and especially if you're listening in full volume, you might get 10 hours. I'm just guessing here. I'm doing guesstimations. And let me do a jump cut. Let me do a quick distance test. I haven't been doing distance tests lately, but I'm pretty sure this is 30 feet. So doing a jump cut right here. Okay, folks, I'm back. Yeah, distance test. I left my smartphone here in the living room, all the way down, walked all the way down my hallway to my 30 feet tape, solid as a rock. Now that's line of sight. Now, once I started going to my daughter's room, which is about 25 feet down the hallway, and I went to my daughter's room and walls started coming the way, it started to chop just a little. Okay, so I'm assuming this is Bluetooth 4.1, 4.2. Okay, yeah, I'm guessing. Now, I'm gonna leave it down here if I find out actually what Bluetooth chip is in here. But as of right now, these sound really good. Now I think they're going between $60 and $70 right now, so it's kind of steep, but they sound good. They sound really good for what it is. First impression, right off the bat, I think they are worth that $60 price tag. And if you can get it on sale like I did, I got it right at $60, and that was with tax. It was actually for sale under $50, but with tax and everything, it came out to $60. And first impressions, it's totally worth that. Now, check back in a week for a review of this headset, then I'm gonna do a full comparison with my Blueant Pump Souls. But yeah, just my first impression, it's sounding like it's putting out better sound than the Blueant Pump Souls already. But I'm still gonna do the comparison at the end of the review video next week. But yeah, it's Guddang775. Hope you folks like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.